Scrap grinder. The scrap grinder is suitable for grinding the pre-cut plastic articles into further small pieces to be recycled in the extruder machine, injection molding machine and blow molding machine or other processes. The machine has 3 sturdy sharp rotary blades with 2 stationary blades to cut the material into small pieces. A sieve is provided under the blades to separate the finely cut material while grinding. The fine cuttings are carried through the powerful suction device and cyclone to collect them into bags or container for subsequent process.